Hi, I'm Richard Uslan at idefendyou.com. If you found this video, either you or someone you know was arrested in Flemington, Hunterdon County, New Jersey for possession of under 50 grams of marijuana. I can defend you on this, and I've been doing it for over 30 years. I can defend you because I've prosecuted many of these cases at the county and municipal court level, so I know what defenses are available. But you have some questions immediately, so let me try to answer some of them before we talk in more detail. The first question you may have is, do I have a record? Do I have a criminal record? Well, the answer to that is yes. Right now, you have an arrest record because you were arrested, photographed, and fingerprinted by the police. That's something we may be able to remove immediately after your case, or maybe shortly thereafter in a separate expungement proceeding. The next question you may have is, will I go to jail? And while the statute is a disorderly persons offense that carries up to a 6-month jail term, it's unlikely that if I help you with this, you will go to jail. The next question is, will I lose my driving privileges? And again, the statute makes that mandatory for 6 months to 2 years, but when we meet, you should ask me about a hardship application. The first thing I want to do, however, is see whether you have any defenses before we talk about other things when we meet, such as a diversionary program or a conditional discharge, as it's commonly known. The reason why we should meet is because you may have a defense where you can avoid all of those other options that may only be available to you once. Were you arrested unlawfully? Were you stopped unlawfully? Were you searched unlawfully? Was the marijuana that's alleged to be in your possession actually in your possession, or was it in the possession of someone else? Was the marijuana, or is the marijuana, actually marijuana? Can the state prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the chemist did what they were supposed to do properly? I have a strong science background to enable me to challenge that expert witness in this case. And I've taught lawyers all over the state how to defend these cases. So if you have any more questions, meet me at my office in Somerville, New Jersey, and call to make an appointment at 908-725-1200. I can defend you on this, and I've been doing it for over 30 years.